Tuesday, April 7th, 2026. I'm here at Ortega River Marina. This is At Last Hull Clean and Sunken. Before I show you the bottom cleaning, I did want to let you know some of your through holes were really clogged. So I went ahead and I cleaned all of them that I could. Before I make this video, I did make another video about how your cockpit is flooding. So I am going to make an after video to see if that was fixed. We did have a lot of things clogging up the cockpit, so I want to double check and make sure all that water is out. Dive. Time to check up in the cockpit.